Hello everyone, Ryan, pharmacist at Meyer Pharmacy. Today is October 22nd, it's Friday, and there have been some new developments, as you're probably aware, about the COVID vaccine boosters. In the last 2 weeks, the different various government bodies have met and they've decided that to open up booster shots for everyone for all three vaccines available. So that's the Moderna, the Pfizer, and the Johnson & Johnson. We previously had the Pfizer boosters available for certain people, but now they've opened it up for all the different vaccines. There are some eligibility groups, and we at Meyer Pharmacy have currently updated our website at meyerpharmacy.com, and you can clearly see those eligibility groups. We will start administering the booster doses for the Moderna and the Johnson & Johnson on Monday, October 25th. The final guidance just came out and we've read through the information, and now we just need a few days to implement to make sure that all the documentation is correct and that we're doing it correctly according to that guidance. So you can schedule your appointment. We do prefer appointments just as demand will be kind of high and that will reduce your wait. But starting Monday, we'll have available booster shots for all three types of vaccine. I'm going to try and briefly run through the eligibility and your options. On those that have been originally vaccinated with Pfizer vaccine, there are some eligibility groups. So you need to be 65 and up on that, or you can be 18 and up if you live in a group setting like long-term care, or if you have a chronic underlying medical condition. Those are laid out on our website. Or if you work in a high-risk situation like healthcare, or if you're in education, that list is also on our website as well. So for Pfizer boost doses, you do have to fall into one of those categories, and that's the exact same for Moderna as well too. So 65 plus, 18 plus if you live in long-term care or group setting, or if you have a chronic medical condition, or if you have a high-risk employment status. Now, Johnson & Johnson, or the Janssen vaccine, that one, anyone 18 plus can get a booster shot. And that one is a little bit different because it's you can get your booster shot 2 months after your original shot, whereas the Pfizer and the Moderna, it's 6 months after the first shot. So there's we were joking today that the flow sheet for eligibility looks more like a maze, but just call us or review the information on our website, and you'll find the latest information there to find out if you're eligible. As far as which vaccine to get, the CDC doesn't discriminate between the different vaccines. So if you've gotten one, then you can get one of the other ones the next time. If you just want to stay with the same vaccine, that's certainly fine too. So hopefully you find the information on our website helpful, and starting Monday, you'll be able to get your vaccine booster at Meyer Pharmacy. So go to meyerpharmacy.com to schedule that appointment. Thanks.